Good morning, boys and girls, and happy Friday. Today is Friday, June 12th, 2020. Please make sure you read the morning message today as it is very inspirational with a nice message. All right, let's jump into our day. Please make sure you are sending me your flat Miss pictures if you have any. The last day to send them will be on Monday. So please make sure you are sharing these pictures with me. I will be using them for a special surprise. All right, we are on Friday. Let's see what we got going on today. Today is Singing Sunglass Day. Pick a pair of shades and learn the words to a favorite song. It is going to be a beautiful day outside, boys and girls, so make sure you get out there and make sure you wear those sunglasses. All right, this is our last day that I'll be posting these chapters for Charlotte's Web. Next week, I will be posting the last chapters for you to listen to. For reading today, we have some Minute to Win It activities. Here we have a link that will bring you to some of the most popular Minute to Win It activities, and this is an optional assignment. Today you should be finishing up your memory book. So today you should be finishing up your digital memory book. So make sure that you are going to Google Classroom to find your memory book. You are working on special notes and 2020 quarantine slide. Today you're going to be escaping the equivalent fractions room. Good luck and remember to draw those pictures. There are also videos here to remind you if you need a refresher. Social studies, you are going to be having a reflection day on the 2 virtual field trips you went on this week. First, you went on the field trip of fairy tales, and then you went to the Jersey Shore. I want you to create a flip grid. Which place was more fun to virtually visit, and which place might you want to go in real life? So you are answering both those questions on the flip grid. Another flip grid you're making today is to share your water slide design with everyone. So you're going to hopefully still have your water slide and be able to share on Flipgrid your design and what your water slide looks like. You're then going to share how you tested your water slide. Right? Pour half a cup of water down the slide to make sure it doesn't leak. Put a marble or a ping pong ball on the slide and make sure it safely and successfully reaches the bottom. And that is all that I have for you today. I hope you all have a great day and a fabulous weekend, and I will see you all on Monday. Bye, boys and girls.